Welcome to the presentation of Hotel 360, a connector developed by Bring IT that leverages the full potential of Oracle NetSuite and Opera PMS Cloud to centralize critical financial and operational information tailored by hospitality leaders like you. I'm Bruno. I'm the Solutions Architect Director for EMEA region, and I've been working with NetSuite for the last 12 years. For 2 years, Bring IT has been working closely with our customers in the hospitality world to focus on this industry, to bring the most accurate information, integrations, and solutions that can make you smart decision making, empowering your hotel to achieve operational excellence. For hotel directors, CFOs, CEOs, COOs, this solution ensures that your KPIs like occupancy, revenue per available room, financial and operational costs are all in a single place, ready to be accessed in real time. And these integrations allow you to focus on your strategy, while the system manages the details, ensuring sustainability, growth, and efficiency. The Hospitality 360 bundle we have is to integrate NetSuite with Opera PMS. This is to centralize your financial and operational information from your Opera PMS going directly to NetSuite in an automated way, allowing you to have smart decision making, empowering your hotel to achieve operational excellence. For hotel directors, CFOs, CEOs, COOs, this solution ensures that your KPIs like occupancy, revenue per room, ADR, financial and operational costs, everything will be in a single place, ready to be assessed in real time. And this integration allows you to focus on the strategy, system management details, ensuring you to grow and be more efficient in your daily tasks. So speaking a little bit about our key features, you can see features for financial visibility and operational efficiency because you have real-time information, KPIs focused on your industry, you have in front and back office connected. You have seamless scalability because we are adaptable for any hotel size, any chain size. So you can have any number of rooms you need. You can have as many properties as required because we can scale up to your size. You can have a matched staff experience because you have a full view of your hotel operations. You can improve your customer service with real-time insights. You can transform your team into strategic enablers. You have your daily production insight because the revenue from your front-end operations is reported in real time for the back office, and you have analytic options, you have control of this, so you have your daily production available whatever you need. You have the transaction codes from Opera inside NetSuite, so you have the full detail of your transactions inside your ERP. And you have all the expanded core features from NetSuite to use with your operational data. Speaking about our system architecture, we are connected directly with Opera Hospitality integration platform as known as OHIP. So we have an API-ready integration. We are directly connected from NetSuite to Opera with no middleware, with no data extraction. You have your data secured inside the Oracle environment. So your data will be inside Opera or inside NetSuite. You don't have any issues with security. All information you have from your guest, revenue, invoices, payments will be secured, synced from Opera to NetSuite in a way that you can have a single view of your guest data, preferences, history. So if you have a guest that is returning to your hotel, you can see this information. You can have a single view of all your guests. You have real-time financial insights. You have cost control, budget management from this data you receive. I will start speaking about how you can see your KPIs. This is a really small example on how you can see KPIs directly from Opera. So these three KPIs you see here, occupancy, arrival rooms, departure rooms, are directly from Opera to your NetSuite. We have pre-configured now 20 KPIs, but any KPI that's available in Opera can be configured here. Here is the list of KPIs that we already have out of the box with your Opera. When you have information like this, you can easily go to other APIs. Like here I have my room revenue. So for this day, I have this room revenue. I know my occupancy. I can easily here go to my ADR. So my average daily rate can be calculated using NetSuite standard features in your reports. This is one example of how you can use this information and add operational information in your financial reports. All the features we have from Hospitality 360 are in a single menu. So from here, I can take a look in what is available. And one important information is we have in real time your financial postings from Opera. So if I just click here, I can go to the list of the financial postings that are synced already with my system. So one example here, I can just click here. So this is one financial posting, one example from September the 9th. I can see here that I have accommodation. This accommodation is this transaction number inside Opera. So I can go directly to the same transaction in Opera. They are related between NetSuite and Opera. I can see the hotel that's related to the subsidiary I have in NetSuite. I can see the information. So here I have $200 and I have the currency here because we are multi-currency prepared. I have the information for the taxes. So I have net and gross amounts, the tax percentage. I have the information for the guest. I have the reservation number, the room, and I have all the mappings done. So every single information you have in Opera will be here in NetSuite, allowing you to have the most detailed information as possible inside NetSuite. How does we use this information? When your guest checks out, we receive the folio. So this is an example of a folio. So this is the folio from this room. It is already checked out. I have the payee. So it's really important because for fiscal purposes, we always sync the payee. So I have the payee from Opera and I have the Opera ID for this payee. I have all the other informations from the folio. And the most important, here I have the list of all financial postings from this guest. What do I do with these financial postings? Every single day, I have a journal. These journals are to recognize your revenue. So your production is daily recognized, respecting your classifications. So here I can see that for the day 13th of June, for this financial posting, I had this revenue recognized. And I can see this amount related to a single financial posting. But if I have more than one financial posting, I can see all the detail here. So you have summarized transactions, but you have all the details in the Hotel 360 subtitles. So you can see all the breakdown of your information. Going back to the folio, the other step is once this guest checks out, I already have my revenue recognized. So again, showing the journal, and this journal is using a production account. I have the invoice. So here I have the invoice, and at the invoice, I can see all the consumption from this customer or this guest. And going to my GNL impact, I'm using the same GNL account for production, so I'm closing the balance. As you can see, I have all the segmentation available as well. I have the taxation. So I have all your accounting automated for these guests. So you can see everything that this guest consumed. Here is the financial information. But again, going to the Hotel 360 tab, I can see the breakdown, what is composed inside this invoice. So you have everything available with a single click. You have all your information. And going back to the folio and to close your guest stay, I have the payment. So related as well to the folio, I can see the payment, and I have again all the accounting related for the payment. So you have all information related. What I will show now is how we can use the NetSuite standard P&L and incorporate your hotel information. So here I have only my sales data. I don't have any other cost information available at the moment, but in a simple click, I can just go and open by what I call sales channel. So with a single click, I can just go to my cost center. And when I refresh, I can see my revenue open by cost center. Other option I have, if I don't want to see in this way, I can just change to location and refresh again. And I can see how much from this revenue is from the bar, from the hotel, or for minibar. And I can go one step further, and if I click here on customize, and I can go again on my sales, and then I can group by cost center and preview, and I can easily now see a good breakdown from my revenue. So here I can see like how much I got from food was in my bar or my mini bar, or how much I have on beverages or room taxes. So I have all my information is licensed. So with these functionalities, you can avoid having to download data from multiple sources, consolidations in Excel, being lost in formulas, because within 3 clicks, you can have your data in a really nice and visual way. To sum up, Hotel 360 goes beyond system integration. It's a powerful solution designed to meet the needs of your hotel directors, CFOs, CTOs, COOs by centralizing operational and financial data, offering real-time insights to streamline processes. With this solution, you can boost profitability, enhance your guest satisfaction, and ensure sustainable growth. Whether you're managing a boutique hotel, a global chain, Hotel 360 adapts to your business needs, offering advanced metrics like ADR, gross operational profit per available room, and cost per occupied room, all at your fingertips. Now it's time to elevate your hotel's potential. Let's work together to unlock new levels of efficiency, guest satisfaction, and success with your Hotel 360.